decided to make a quick stop so that way Lee can get some money out to pay for our stay at the campsite. And although this area is very, very beautiful, if I had left it on normal speed, the video would be way too long. When we get up here, and we're going to make a right-hand turn onto a dirt road, and then the next turn will be a left, and that'll be the only road that's as close to a paved road from that point on, and it's worse than all the dirt roads that we drove on. But then the deeper we get, the thicker the woods get, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now I know what y'all are thinking, because y'all watch way too many movies, but it didn't happen. Now don't lie, you know you was thinking about it. Now right here on the left is where our camp is, and our camp was called Pless Place Hunting Camp. After he gets parked, I'll go up and do a U-turn and come on back and pull straight in, because my tarp area is on the right hand side, passenger side of my micro camper, Cheap Wanderer. And as I'm getting turned around and get lined up, I notice a bunch of branches in the way. And I was going to get out, go over and try to move them myself, but wait until you see what happens. These people are awesome. I'm going to turn around and pull in. That puts my entryway door right there at your side. All right.
That'll give, because the fire pit's kind of in between us there.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? That way we're not on top of the fire pit.
Right, right. Yeah, that'll work. I'll get turned around. Lee is cooking hamburgers for us, and it's his birthday. He's cooking them on the fireplace grill that my daughter Ashley bought me for my birthday 7 days prior. If you look over by Lee's camper, you'll see what appears to be the Poo Poo Palace, but that is not. That is Lee's shower. If you look over the top of Cheap Wanderer's head, you'll see the tip of the Poo Poo Palace. So his is a shower, and of course, Cheap's is a Poo Poo Palace. The hamburgers that we had this night were the best hamburgers I have had, and I could not tell you how long. Very, very tasty, oak flavored, you name it. You are standing along the historic route of the conquistador Hernando de Soto and his expedition through the Florida Native American territories in his quest for gold and glory. There are some amazing granddaddy oaks in this forest. Some of the shapes are just out of this world. Then you have the cypress, the palmettos. It's just gorgeous. I want to take some time to thank Lee for taking my camera into the swamps and getting these pictures for me. He did an amazing job. Once again, thank you, Lee.